A holding company is a business that doesn't make things itself but instead owns the stock of other companies. Let's see how they work. At its core, a holding company exists to control, not to operate. It is the parent entity in a corporate structure. Nearly every major conglomerate you can think of uses this structure to insulate their different business lines from one another. Investors and business owners use them for liability protection. If a subsidiary gets sued, the parent company's other assets are usually safe. Think of it as the difference between a landlord and a tenant. One owns the structure, the other runs the business inside it. The parent company holds these assets. This diversification helps the parent weather downturns in any single industry. It is essentially an umbrella. It keeps the business units separate so that one bad event does not destroy the entire organization. Understanding corporate structures is key to analyzing stocks. Follow for more basics on how the financial world is built.